kinky straight reddish brown lace front wig. We're gonna serve the cousins. You hear me? I really feel like it's gonna be a look.
I mean, I really feel like that.
That depends on the wig now. Don't get up here. Absolutely stunning. I said that first of all. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. I'm coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Hey church, come on in the room. I'm doing something today that I feel like is really gonna be like a look.
I mean, I really feel like that.
I really feel like it's gonna be a look. Y'all, I don't know why I'm coming with the drama this morning. I mean, the black, the gold chain. I don't really know. You know how you just feel mysterious?
I feel mysterious today.
Okay, y'all. So today I'm bringing you a wig from Klaiyi. It's been a very long time since I've rocked one of their wigs, so I'm excited to kind of see what they how they coming with it. But I'm gonna tell you something. Hold, this how they came to me. They said, "Listen, we're gonna send you this wig because we think you really gonna like it, and we would really love for you to try it out and see your thoughts on it. But can you do it like RASHON did hers?" Because, honey, she put it up in this really nice ponytail, and we are really feeling that. Can you try to put it up in a ponytail, too? I said, now, first of all, I can't step in RASHON's shoes. That is the wig whisperer, but I will try my hardest to throw it up. But I told him, I said, that depends on the wig. Now, don't get up here. Don't be putting that type of pressure on me, Klaiyi. Don't do that. I am not the wig whisperer. I'm almost there, but I'm not quite there. So don't come up here talk about, can you do what RASHON do? Because, honey,
I don't know.
I'm gonna be I don't know. So you gonna send it or no? Big shout out to my girl Kai. That's my YouTube twin. That is one of the very few influencers that I literally can watch all day long because her energy is bananas. Check her out, man. She's great. And she definitely slayed this week. We're gonna figure something out. We're gonna serve the cousins. You hear me? Do you hear me? What I say? Let's get ready to serve. Let me tell you what this is first though. Klaiyi kinky straight reddish brown lace front wig, human hair, auburn copper color for women. Honey, they had a little Amazon to it with that title. I have 22 inches, you guys. Now, I do want to mention this. Y'all look in the description box. You know when I say this in the video, it's coming hard like that. Look in the description box. There's a coupon code in the description box. We're not talking 5%. We're not talking 10%. We're not talking 15%. Double that. I need you to double that. I need you to double that 15 and get that 30% off and get this wig. Okay? Now let me show y'all. First of all, honey, this wig is soft. Honey, this wig is, oh my gosh. Yes, this feels really good. Definitely giving auburn ginger-ish. The color is absolutely stunning. You wear this when you're ready to show out and get clout. The hairline is pre-plucked, you guys, as you can see. The good thing about color like this, you don't really have to worry about knots because the knots are going to be the color of this hair. So it's kind of equivalent of having bleached knots. Now, if the color is like purple, something like that, blue, then you are going to see knots if it's the same color as the hair. They have the little baby hair. I don't know if I'm going to use the baby hair or not, or if I'm going to use my own baby hair. I think I'm going to kind of go through it with my blower brush and just take a little bit of the indentation out. As I've told you guys before, in packaging, the hair generally is folded up like this. So then over time, you'll have the indentations when you let it loose. When you let it loose, like right there, you see that? Bam. 3 combs, an adjustable strap. These are the 2 side combs. There's a comb off in the bike, an adjustable strap. So as far as the cap construction, it's, you know, what I would expect. It's a typical average cap. This is a frontal. It's given a nice bit of space for parting. Do I want to press this? I think this would be really pretty pressed out. But y'all know I like big, ignorant, thick hair. I just... And this feels really good. Y'all, no snafus, no tangles, none of that stuff. Thank God for that. Y'all think we could put the thing down, flip it, and reverse it? Let's see if we could work this. Let's work this. Hold on.
just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? This is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. is to ride upon a star. Do whatever it takes to be what you are. 'Cause you're the only one for me. Yeah, you're the only one. Person up on a cloud, I wanna shout out loud that you're the only one for me. Ooh, 'cause you're the only one for me. You're the only one. Yeah, you're the only one. You're the only one. Person up on a cloud, I wanna shout out loud that you're the only one for me.